Hi guys, we are back with another video and this video has been requested by a lot of you guys. So I think you can pretty much guess what we are going to do in this particular video. So yes, it's about plastic gen. So let me open the box and let me show you what I have here for you. So I got here Blade Breakers G Revolution base, so Drigger G, Dragoon G, Dranzer G and Draciel G. So guys, we got the G Revolution set. So guys, we got all 4 spirits here: Dragoon, Draciel, Drigger, Dranzer. And we're gonna do a battle because some of you requested it, so here we go. So we're gonna do a battle between Dragoon and Drigger and Draciel and Dranzer. So let's see how that goes. So let me bring out the stadium and let's start with the battle. So guys, I brought up my Shogun Steel Stadium and we are ready for the battle. So before we start, I'm gonna do some rewinding of the base, then we'll start. So guys, our engine gear winding is done, so we're gonna start the first battle. So guys, after every battle I'll be winding up the engine gears, but I'm gonna pause the video, so I will not show you that part because it's gonna bore you out. So guys, we are ready for the first battle and it's gonna be between Draciel versus Dranzer. So Draciel being a defense type, I'm gonna launch Draciel first, then I'm gonna launch Dranzer. So whoever earns 2 points first is gonna be the winner. Let it rip! Let it rip! Oh my god, guys, engine gears are kicking. I hope you heard the sound, and Dranzer won it pretty easily. That's a clear win for Dranzer. So guys, 1 point goes to Dranzer and let's do another round. If Dranzer gets another, that's game over for Draciel. So guys, we are ready for the round 2. So I'm gonna launch Draciel again. Then I'm gonna launch Dranzer. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! And Dranzer's engine gear is still working. And Dranzer won it easily. That was an easy fight, guys. That was pretty easy. So Dranzer won by 2-0. Sadly, that's a 0 point for Draciel. I'm really disappointed in you, man, Max. Max, I am very disappointed in you. So guys, let's move on to the next battle, and that's gonna be Drigger versus Dragoon. So we are ready for the very first round. I'm gonna launch Drigger first. So 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Now Dragoon, 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh, and the engine gears are kicking, guys. And Drigger won it easily. So there goes 1 point to Drigger G. Let's move on to the round 2 of this battle. Now again, I'm gonna launch Drigger first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Now it's time for Dragoon. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh my god, guys, Dragoon won this time. That's an amazing win for Dragoon. So now score has been tied 1-1. So let's move on to the very final battle. So guys, now let's do the second round. So I'm gonna launch Drigger. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! And guys, Dragoon won by split second. So Dragoon will be the winner of this round by score 2-1. So guys, now we are ready for the final battle. Dragoon versus Dranzer. I know guys, everyone wants to see Dragoon versus Dranzer. So guys, let me rewind the engine gears and let's start the very first round. So guys, I'm ready for the very first round. So I'm gonna launch Dranzer first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! And I guess Dragoon won, guys. So 1 point for Dragoon. Let's proceed to next round, guys. So guys, we are ready for the second round, but this time I'm gonna launch Dragoon first, then Dranzer. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! And Dranzer's engine gear kicks in. It won. So guys, we are ready for the very last round, and this round is gonna decide who's gonna be the winner. So let's start the third round. So first I'm gonna launch Dranzer, then I'm gonna launch Dragoon. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! Oh, that's a furious attack for Dragoon. Is this battle gonna turn out like anime? Oh my god guys, that was a draw. Let's give it another shot. So guys, we are ready for another round since last one was draw. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Let's rip. Both engine gears are firing up guys. Oh my god. And again a draw. I don't know guys. Is it gonna end or what? So let's give it one more shot and let's see. So guys, we are ready for another round. And I have a gut feeling that this is gonna be the last. And even if it's not the last, I'm gonna leave it as it is. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Let's rip. Oh, and looks like Dragoon has won guys. So here we go. The results are similar to what we have seen in the Beyblade anime, the very first season when Blade Breaker was formed. But this time these are not S series base, these are G series base. But it's still very hard to say guys which is a better between Dragoon and Dranzer. So guys, I hope you like this video. That's pretty much it for today. Please let me know your thoughts in comment section and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.